Great choice of song, Michelle Murtaugh. Welcome back. A group of scientists is changing the speed limit Oh my goodness, changing the speed limit of the universe.
An experiment at CERN, the world's largest physics laboratory, has found particles that apparently traveled faster than the speed of light. That's 186,000 or so miles per second. Something Albert Einstein said couldn't happen. It would shake up the foundations of physics that have been there since he published that theory of relativity over, a couple of journalism majors trying to do this, over 100 years ago. Of course, they said they need to do much more research to confirm this. And I will tell you, we've reported the story a few times this morning, and already my inbox is full of people debating the theory of relativity and whether this could even, it's pretty funny.
You'll be busy answering those emails all weekend, Christine.
And what Einstein is responsible for is this, a precious piece of moon rock missing for 30 years, found at an Arkansas library.